Hey, this is Jeff Green with KW Commonwealth, and I'm standing outside of 158 Swilcan Bridge Way in Georgetown, Kentucky, and I can't wait to show you all this home has to offer. Let's go inside and take a look. Nothing says welcome to our home like this impressive two-story foyer with sliding doors separating the foyer from the formal sitting room. Both formal sitting and formal dining rooms are adorned with decorative chair railing and wainscoting. This gorgeous kitchen is a chef's dream, offering large island with wine rack, granite countertops, variable height cabinetry, tile backsplash, upgraded black stainless appliances, and spacious pantry. Let's head upstairs. And here we have the first bedroom, laundry room, full bath with double vanity, loft, and bedroom number 2. And back through the loft to bedroom number 3. And finally onto the ensuite, where we will find a tray ceiling, an abundance of natural light in the bedroom, and a raised double vanity, soaking tub, tiled shower, and walk-in closet in the bathroom. And back downstairs into this cozy family room, offering floor to ceiling dry stacked stonework around the gas fireplace. Here we have the informal dining area. Onto the powder room for guests. As we head downstairs, we'll find another bonus room. We have another bedroom. There's another living room down here, another laundry room, another full bathroom with shower, and another complete kitchen with stainless appliances, large island, and plenty of cabinet and countertop space. This home, built in 2016, has over 4,600 finished square feet, 5 bedrooms, and 3.5 bathrooms, and you are just going to love it. Call today to get inside to see for yourself.